Installing your Viper overlay correctly means reducing the risk of injury and improving reliability. Please follow all instructions and refer to your installation manual for additional support. If you have any further questions, please contact a Pitbull representative at 832-515-8385. You'll need the following tools to correctly install your Viper overlay. In addition, you'll also need all kit materials to complete installation. Finally, don't forget to use all necessary personal protection equipment during the installation process. To begin, lay your Viper overlay over your existing Pitbull cover to properly align your cover from end to end. Start installing pins into the center of the cover, utilizing the cross straps not containing a T-bolt or carabiner. Use your hand to flatten wrinkles as you insert pins down each side. Continue until all pins have been inserted. Before inserting backings, check your cover and adjust any wrinkles accordingly. Fasten the backings to the pins from underneath the overlay. Leave the last two straps on each end unfastened along both sides. To remove pins, use the magnetic remover included in your kit. Press the magnetic remover against the desired backing. Go in a circular motion around the backing until the pin releases. Start from active or passive end and pull the cover slightly to release any wrinkles. On the last two unfastened straps, insert pins on the first non-T-bolt or carabiner strap before the active and passive pocket and hardware. Replicate process on opposite end before securing backing from underneath. Insert remaining pins between installed active and passive pocket hardware. Secure backings to each end and remove any excess overlay material past the active and passive pockets. With a clean shop towel, use mild detergent and warm water to clean off your cover. Use a dry, clean towel to pat dry. Your Viper overlay is now complete. If you have any questions about installation or materials, please call a representative today.